of grade 6 class. This consists of 30 questions, and yesterday already I have submitted the paper. That 30 questions are there. I think already you have complete and you are waiting to see how to do the sums. Then plus 8 lessons in the grade 6 book I have already included in this paper. In addition to that, after finish this session, I am going to evaluate the session that I have done. Then you have to complete the online test paper around 6:30. Before 7 o'clock, 7:30, you have to submit, right? Then I will, after finish the session, I will send you the Google Form paper. Right, we'll start to do this. First one, how many circles are included in this figure? Yeah, can you see how many circles are here? First figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles are here. Second question, 304,200,000. You have to write in digits. 304 million. 304,200,000. 200,000. You have to write like this, 304,200,000. 4 billions. It means billions on 4 is here. 900 million. Millions on 900. 200,000. Then 100,000 place, you can see here 200,000. 25. Then how can we read? 4 billion, 900 million, 200,000, 25. Next question. 405 minus 1, 6. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to the largest one. So according to this, what is the smallest number? Minus 4. Next smallest is minus 1. Next smallest is, what is here? 0, 5, 6. Minus 12, 32, 42, minus 6, 0, 23. So what is the smallest number? 12. Next one is minus 6. Next 0, then 23, 32, 42. Then here minus 12, minus 6, 0, 5, 10. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smallest number to the largest one. Next question. Draw the following angles. Acute angle. Acute angle is you can draw like this. Reflex angle. Acute angle, reflex angle, obtuse. Right angle. This is the vertex, 9 degrees. Straight angle. Then obtuse. Angle is more than 90 degrees. Right angle. Angle is 90. Angle is 180. This is acute is less than, angle is less than 90. Reflex angle is greater than 180. Then straight is 180 angle. Right angle, angle is 90, exactly 90. Obtuse is mean angle is greater than 90 degrees. Right, you can, if you want, you can draw this. Now let's go to the next question. Find the value of the following. 1000 subtract 999. You already know the answer. That is 1, right? I will show you. 999. 10 subtract 9, 1, 0, 0, 0. This means answer equals 1. 420 minus 23. 10 subtract 3, 7. 11 subtract 2, 9. Here remaining 3. 397. Next question. 23,000 0. 15 subtract 6, 9. 13 subtract 5, 8. 2, 1. 10,890. What is the answer? 3,111. 3,111. Next question. Question number 6. Select and write the suitable numbers from the numbers in the bracket. Now check the numbers inside the bracket. That what is the number that greater than 8? What is the number? 10 and 16, right? Only 10 and 16 are here. These both are greater than 8. Number greater than minus 3. What is the number greater than minus 3 here? So check carefully. That means minus 3 is less than. 0 is here, 4 is here. 0 and 4. Then 0 and 4 greater than minus 3. Minus 6. What is the number greater than minus 6 here? This minus 10, 12 both are less than. Then only 0. Here 8. Less than which number? 10 minus 12, 8. So you have to write 10. 10 is greater than minus 8. Minus 3 is less than 0 and plus 4. Minus 4 so here. And 10 and 16 greater than 8. Minus 6 is less than 0. Right, we'll go to the next one. Make the following numbers on a number line. So we have to arrange from minus 2 to plus 6. So arrange this 0. Mark the following numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right. Now we can mark minus 6. Now we can mark these numbers on the number line. So what are the numbers here? Minus 2 here. 0 we can mark. Plus 3. plus 6. These are the numbers. Minus 2 I have marked, 0 mark, plus 3, minus 5 here. Minus 5. What is the smallest number out of them? Out of them, smallest number is minus 5. Write two numbers less than 0. Minus 2 and minus 5. Write all the integers between 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5. 2 here and 5 here. Only 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Write all the integers. Right? Integers, numbers between 3 and 4. So you can see what is that? 3 and 4. We have learned there are two integers, negative integers, it means negative numbers, positive integers, positive numbers. Then between 2 and 5, you can see, easily you can see 3 and 4. Question number 8. I think you already finished drawing and you already finished answer the questions, right? Okay, now we are going to do the question number 8. Here, draw the following angles, round off the following numbers to nearest 10. So when we round off the numbers nearest 10, we have to concern the number at the unit place. Look at this number, unit place number, that is 1. If this unit place number is equals 5, or exceeds 5 is mean greater than 5. You have to add 1 to 10 place and make this is 0. But if the unit place number is less than 5, you can just make it 0. So this is less than 5, so you can write 20 here. What about this 49? The 9 is greater than 5, so you can add 1 to this 4, that is 5, make this is 0. 50. Now look at here, 5 equals 5, then add 1 to 6, that is 7, make this 5 0 here. 73, don't do anything to this, write 7 here, make this 3 0 here. 5, add 1 to here, 6 0. Add 1 to here, how much then? Make this 0, that is 100. So, this is the way you have to round off the numbers. So a small concept is there. If the unit place, when you are rounding off a number to the nearest 10, you have to look at the unit place number. You know that when we are writing a number like 55, this is the unit place and this is the 10 place. So you have to look at the unit place number. If it is equals 5, or greater than 5, you have to add 1 to 10's place number and make the unit place number 0. If it is less than 5, you have to make the unit place number 0 and keep the 10's place number as same. Next question, question number 8. Find the following, find the value of the following related to fractions. There are two ways of doing the fractions. Can you remember? One method is you can do like this, 6 times 2, 12, plus 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 6, they multiply 3 and 6, 18. First method, 12 and 3, 15 over 18. Now you can see this both are divisible, cancel over the line by 3, 5, below the line by 3, 6, 5 over 6. Now follow the second method here. Then 2/3 plus 1 over 6. Right, take the common denominator, 6 divide by, then we want to make common denominator, 6 is the common denominator, 3, that is 2. Then this is by 2, this is by 2. 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Now denominators are same. Common denominator 6, 4 and 1, 5. 5 over 6. Right, this method. If you prefer this method, you can follow this. If you prefer this method, you can follow this. Now look at this one also. The same procedure we can follow. First method, 4 times 3, 12 minus 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 4, 32. 12 minus 8, that is 4 over 32. Then how many fours 1, how many fours 8? Right? 1 over 8. Look at, you can follow this method also. 3 over 8. Now we want to make the common denominator. Common denominator is mean 8. The number which is divisible by 8 as well as 4. Divide by 4. That is 2. This is by 2. This is by 2. 3 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Next question. 1/4 of 40 mangoes are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe here? 1/4 of is mean multiplication. It's mean 40 over the line, 4 below the line. It means it is like this, 40 times 1, 40 over 4. Now divide, 40 divided by 4 is mean 4. How many 4s here? 1, here 0. How many mangoes are there? 10 mangoes. You have to write this as a decimal, 8 over 10. What we have learned when we are doing the decimal lesson. When we are dividing by 1, 0, it's moving 1 decimal place towards the right hand side. So you can write the answer 0.8. If 1, 0, again I will show you, 1, 0, 1 decimal place. If it is 2, 0, 2 decimal place. If it is 3 zeros, 3 decimal places. Sorry, 3 decimal places. Like this, according to the number of zeros at the denominator, we can count the decimal places. Next question. Next question. Directions. Name the directions denoted by English alphabet. What are the directions? A, right, we know north, south, right, we can write north, south, this is east, west. Then C is west, D is east, right. Now E is mean northwest. Here southwest, southeast, northeast. Right, we can write E is here northwest. F is here, F is here southeast. G H southwest. Northwest, southeast, northeast, southwest. Okay, let's go to the next question. Twelfth one. 8 times 3, 24. To remain in 8 times 4. 32. 32 and 2, 34. 98. Divide by 4. 9, how many 4s are there? 2. 2 times 4, 8, 1 remain. Borrow this 8, 18, how many 4s? That is 4. 4 times 4, 16, 2 remain. What is the answer? Answer is 24 and 2 remain. Next one, 200 into 3 plus 50 into 4 plus 5. 200 into 3, that is 600. 50 into 4, 5. 805. 600 and 200, 800, and this 5, 805. This one, plus what we have to do? Both mass order, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. For the grade 7 and 6, we concern only the mass, right? Then firstly, you have to do the division. So, first write 6 plus 4 into 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Now next multiplication, 6 plus 4 times 4, 16. 6 plus 16, how much here? 12, 1 remaining, that is 22. 6 plus 16, that is 22. 13th one. If you want, you can write down this. Next question. Worded problems are here. A television commercial advertisement started 2040-17 and finished at 2040-5-10. Find the time taken for the commercial. It's mean final time. Finishing time. You have to take finishing time is 20:45. Always keep like the finishing time and subtract the initial time. Initial time. And the finishing time. That means this is final time. It means finishing time. Initial time. Starting time is 20:40-17. Now time duration. Time taken for commercial. Subtract. 10 can't subtract 17. Borrow 1 to this side. This means 60. 60 and this 10. 70. 70 subtract 17 and see. 10 subtract 7. That is 3. 6 subtract 1, 5. 53. 53. Then here remaining 44. 44 subtract 44. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. 4 minutes, 53 seconds. It means we can write the answer here. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Yes. Bus leaves at Colombo 12 and reaches the Martha at 14. Calculate the time taken for the journey. Nothing to do, only 14 subtract 12, 2 hours, no? It means finishing time. Sorry. 14. Initial time. Time. 2 hours. A bottle contains 3 liters, 400 milliliter of oil. Calculate the amount of oil in 8 bottles. 1 bottle, 8 bottles. Then 8 bottles now, then it is 18 times, right? 3 liter, 400 milliliter into 8. It means 008 times 4. 32, 3 remain. 8 times 400, right? 8 times 4, 32, right, 2, 3 remain. 8 times 3, 24, and this 3, 27. 27 liters and 200 milliliters. 27 liters and 200 milliliters. A meter of cloth material cost 120 rupees. Find the cost of 5.5 meter of cloth. Then 1 meter. Five and a half meter. It means this 5.5 meter have to multiply it by 120, 2 times 5, 10 and 1, 11 over 2 into 120. That is 60. Put the end of this 0, 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 1, 6. 660 rupees. 1 meter, that is 120. 5.5 meter of cloth. Then 120 into 5, 600. Half meter is 60, 660. Next question, question number 15. If you haven't done this sum, you can do it now. Then really, you no need to take the printouts. I am not telling you to go out and take the printout. If you have a print at home, you can take the printout of the paper. If not, what you have to do is you have to keep a separate book for this general paper class. Then this is the general paper 2. Write the general paper 2 and then write down the question and start to do the sums there. If you're writing down the question and doing the sum it is really easily can understand, going to your brain easily. If you are write the question yourself and if you are doing the answers yourself, right? If not, if you have a printer at home, you can take the printouts and then you can pile according to the order. What I am doing now, I have increased the capacity of this paper today more than last week. Because last week I have included questions like 25 like that. That consists of only first 4 lessons. Today for 8 lessons I have included here. Right? Next day I am going to include another 4 to it. Then when finishing, because our grade 6 class have only 2 more lessons to cover in this lesson and another 1 lesson. So I am going to finish up the grade 6 syllabus. So we can repeat whole syllabus from the beginning again. Right? I think I have done it successfully. Then you all can answer if you have any doubt related to this personally, even you can ask the doubts. Right, I will erase this. We'll go to the next question, question number 15. Separate the following numbers into periods and then write in words. When separating, you have to separate like this, 3 by 3. Then you can write 12, 273, 683, 179. So how can I write the number? I can write 12 billion 273. 273,000,000 600 3,179. Next one, we separate this one, this one, this one. So how can we write? 18 billion. 268,000. We had a small power cut and again came it back, right? We were here, sorry. Again, I will repeat this. We had a power cut, even short power cut. This is disconnecting. Separate the following numbers into periods. So start from here. Again, I will repeat it. 12. And first of all, we have to write, separate into zones and write. 12, 273, 683, 179. So this is the billion zone. So we can write 12 billion 273 million. Million 683,000. 83,179. Next question. Separate into zone. 18, 268, 960. So how can you write this then? 18 billion. 18 billion 268,000 million. 268 million 960,000. 18,268,960,000. Okay, write down this. If you haven't done this one, you can write down it now. Question number 16. That is related to the time. Express the time given in terms of the 12-hour clock. So look at here 7. So we have to write this in 12-hour clock time. 7 is mean, that is really, we can write AM in the morning. 13:30. It's mean you have to subtract 12. 13:30 subtract 12. That is 1. Even here we can write like this. AM. 12-hour clock. 23:30. 11. You can write this is then PM. 11:30 PM at night. 11:30 at night. Can you understand? Right? When we are writing 24-hour clock time, then we are writing like this 12-hour clock time. Then after 12 noon, you have to subtract 12. Then 2:13 is mean 1:30. Subtract 12 from that, then 1:30 PM. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Numbers greater than 0 are. What are they? Positive. Numbers less than 0, negative. 4 greater than 0. Write this using the symbols. 4 greater than 0. We can write it like this. 4 greater than, even other side we can write it now. 4 greater than 0. Write all the integers between -3 and 8. So between, then -2 is, sorry, -3 and 8. Sorry, after -3 it is -4. Between -3 and 8 asking. Then -4, -5, -6, -7. We can't write 8. They are asking in between -3 and -8. So two numbers, two integers are here. -4, -5, -6, -7. If you haven't complete, now you can complete it. Question number 18. Question number 18. In a school, there are 1,125 students in grade 6 and 1,375 students in grade 7. Calculate total number of students in both grade. Grade 6. 1,125. Grade 7, that is 1,375. 5 and 5, 10, 1 remaining, 10, 1 remaining, 5, 2. 2,500 total. In a village, there are Sinhala families and 173 Tamil families. How many families are there in the village? Then we can write Total families. 8, 13, 938 families. Next question. Question number 19. Decimal multiplications, find the value of the following multiplication. Now look at when we are multiplying by a decimal according to the number of 0. It means if you are multiplying a decimal number by a power of 10. Power of 10 is mean 10, 100, 1000 like that. When we are multiplying, so if 1 0 is there, move in one decimal place forward. It means towards the left hand side. Right? You can one decimal place going forward. එකක් ඉදිරියට යනවා. If 1 0. If there are 2 zeros, then 2 decimal place forward. It means towards the left hand side. If 3 zeros are there, 3 decimal places. Now we'll see how this happens. 1 decimal place moving. So now decimal is here. Answer is 9. Here 1 decimal place moving. Now decimal is here 1.1. 2 decimal places moving. Now decimal is here. Answer is 23. 3 decimal places moving. Here 1. 1, 2, 3. 10,023. Now here you have to multiply by 43. When we are multiplying a decimal number by a whole number, this is different. Just multiply like normal. Then after that, count the number of decimal places and separate the decimal. 123 multiplied by 43. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 4 times 3, 12. 1 remain. 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9. 4 times 1, 4. 9, 8, 12, 5. Then 5,289. Now count the decimal places 1, 2, 3. No? After the decimal, count the numbers. How many? There are 3. Then start from here. 1 place, 2 place, 3 decimal places. You have to separate. What is the answer? 5.289. 5.289. Question number 20. Right, if you want, you can write down. I think you already have complete and you already have to correct the papers only, right? Next question, question number 20. Find the value of the following multiplication. 3 times 7, 21, 2 remain. 3 times 2, 6, 6 and 2, 8. How many decimals? 1, 8.1. 8 times 3, 24, 2 remain. 8 times 5, 40 and 2, 42. How many decimals here? 1 decimal. 6 times 3, 18. 1 remaining. 6 times 7. 42 and 143. 7 here, 7 times 3, 21, 2 remaining. 7 times 5, 35 and 2, 37. 2 decimal places, 37.17. Here, multiplication. Well, you know how to do the normal multiplication. 28 into 27. First multiplied by 7, 7 times 8, 56. 5 remainder. Yeah, 7 times 8, 56, right? 7 times 7, 49. 8, 56. 7 times 2, 14, 14 and 5, 19. 2 times 8, 16, 1 remaining, 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5. Right, here then 6, 9 and 6, 15, 1 remain, 2, 2 and 5, 7, 756. Follow the multiplication, 71 into 35. First from 5 multiply 5, 5 times 7, 35. Now 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 7, 21. 5, 8, 4, 2. Then what is the answer? 2,485. 7 times 2, 40. 1 remaining. 7 times 2, 14. 1 remaining. 7 times 6. 7 times 6, 42. 42 and 1, 43. 5 times 2, 30 and 1, 31. 3,534. 9 times 6. 6 times 9, 54. 5 remain. 9 times 8. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 8. 8 times 9, 72. 72 and 5. 72 and 5. 77. 7 remain. 9 times 6. 54. 5 remaining. 9 times 8. 72. 77. 7 remaining. 9 times 1. 9. 9 and 7. 16. 7 times 6. 42. 4 remaining. 7 times 8. 56 and 4. 60. 6 remaining. 7, 7 and 6. 4, 2 and 7, 9, 6, 1 and 3, 4, 1. 14,694. This is the answer. Right, we'll go to the next question. I will recheck the answer. 186 multiplied by 79. 14,694. Yeah, that is correct. Next question, question number 22. Solve the following word problems. An orange costs 30 rupees. One orange. How many oranges can be brought for 120 rupees? Oranges. Equals 1 is 30, no? 120 divided by 30. 1, 0. 12 divided by 3, 4 oranges. We can buy 4 oranges. An aquarium contains 5 liter 375 milliliter of water. 4 liter and 650 milliliter of water is added to that. Find the new volume of the water in the aquarium. 31 divided by 10. Move in one decimal place towards the right hand side. 3.1. Divide by 10. One decimal place towards the right hand side. It's mean back. 2.1. Divide by 100 is mean two decimal places back. 0.23. Divided by 1000 is mean 3 zeros. It's mean it's coming 3 decimal places back. 3 zeros, 3 decimal places back. It means towards the right hand side. Right? It means 2.734. 1, 2, 3 places right back. 0.451. 3 decimal places back. 22.123. 1, 2, 3. Next question. 24. Find the value of the following division. 68 divided by 2. That is 34. 476 divided by 4. 1, 4. 7 how many fours? 1. 1 times 4, 4. 0. 7 subtract 4 is 3. 36. 36 how many fours? 9. 9 times 4, 36. It means answer is 190. 4,800 divided by 8. 48, how many 8s are there? 8. 8 times 8? No, 6. 6 times 8, 48. Then 0 don't have. Borrow this 0 also don't have. Then what is the answer? 600. Now divide here. 6,570 by 9. 65, how many 9s are there? 63, there are 7. 7 times 9, 63. 27, how many 9s are there? 27, there are 3 times 9, 27, 0. Borrow this 0 here. 0 don't have. 730. Answer is, then you can follow the long division method, right? And you can get the answer. Question number 25. Here 176 divided by 23. 176, follow the long division method, 23. Then nearly just imagine 400, how many 25s? There are 4. Then 175, there are how many? 7, right? 7. Right, 7 then nearly. 7 times 3, 21. 2 remain. 7 times 2, 14 and 2. 16. 161. Subtract. So 6 subtract 1, 5. Then 7 subtract 6, 1. 15. So you can write 7. 7. Answer 7. You can write it like this. Reminder. Answer 50. Answer 7. Reminder 50. Next one. 345 divided by 21. 21, 21, 42. Then you can write 121 for 34. 21 subtract. 3. Here 1 remaining, no? 13. 13. Then 135. Borrow this 5 also here. 13 don't have. No? Then borrow for this 13 don't have. Sorry. 1 here, 135. 135, how many 21s are here? 21, 4 are there, 400. Maybe 5. 5 times 5, no, I will write 6 here. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12, 126. Yes. 15 subtract 6, 9. Remain 9. Answer 16. 9. Next question. 672 divided by 50. 60, how many 15s are there? 4. 4 times 15, that is 60. 7 remaining. Borrow this 2 here. 72 also there are 4. 4 times 15, 60. 12. Then answer 44. Reminder. 689. 68, how many 16s are there? 4. 4 times 16, 64. 4. 49, how many there are? 2. 2 times 16, 32. 7. 70. Next one, 26. Next one, write the shaded part as fractions. 1, 2, 3. It's mean 3 over 6. 1, 2. Answer is half. Now look at here shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether 8. That is also how many pose 1, how many pose 2. Half. Next question. Question number 27. If you haven't complete, now you can complete. But I think your paper there is a little bit different question, right? That I have drawing difficulties and shading difficulties. I think that question is different. It's okay. The main thing is you must understand this. Right. Next question. Question number 27. This is related to fractions. Like earlier you can do 2 methods. 6 times 2, 12. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 6, 18. 12 and 6, 18 over 18. The answer is then 1. Even other method also you can follow, right? This is by 2 over 3 plus 2 over 6. This is by 2. This is by 2. 4 over 6 plus 2 over 6. Then 4 and 2, 6 over denominator is 6. Answer is 1. Then do this one also. Cross multiplication, 6 plus 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 6, 24. 6 and 12, 18 over 24. How many 6s? 3. How many 6s? 4. 3/4. The other method, 1/4. Plus 3 over 6 converted to a common denominator. LCM is 12, right? The number which is divisible by 4 as well as 6 is, that is 12. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Then this is by 3, this is by 3. 12 divided by 6, that is 2. This is by 2, this is by 2. 3 over 12 plus 6 over 12. That is 9 over 12. How many trees here? 3. How many trees here? 4. 3/4 is the answer here. Question number 28. First write down. If you haven't done this, you can write down. Then now you know 2 methods of doing fractions. In the lessons we have done it, but I just reminding you that there are 2 methods of doing the fractions. Not 2 methods, there are several methods. Right. Next question. Question number 28. Express this of the following times in minutes. It's given in second. Now, can you remember 1 minute, How many seconds are there? 60 seconds. Now you have to write this is in minutes. Express each of the following times in minutes. So they given in seconds. So what you have to do? 30 divided by 60. How much here? 1 here 2. Half minute. Half and minute. And look at here. 120 divided by 60. 2 minutes. 240 seconds divided by 60 to convert to minutes. How many sixes for 24? 1 6. How many 6 here? 4. Answer is 4 here. 600 divided by 60. How many zeros? How many sixes? 10. Answer is 10. 10 minutes. 4 minutes and 10 minutes. Next question. Question number 29. Two hours. Times in minutes. 1 hour 60. 60 minutes. So 2 hours, 2 into 60. How many minutes? 120 minutes. 5 hours, 5 into 60. How much? 0. 5 times 6, 30. 300 minutes. 1/4 of an hour. Of this mean multiplication hour, there are 60. So 60 divided by 4, that is 15. 15 minutes. Next one, 10 hours. 10 into 60. 600 minutes. Right. Next question. Question number 30. Our last question. So after finish this, I will send you the Google Form paper, right? 29. Let me have to write 30. Express each of the following times in International Standard Form. 8:30 a.m. 0 a.m. no, so no need to add, right? 8. Even no need to write like this even. 3:08. This one, how can we write? 2:30 p.m. So 2:30 at 12. 14:30. Next one, 12:45. Next one, 5:30 p.m. It's mean you have to add 12 to that. 17:30. That's all related to this paper. So I think you already totally understood. If you have any doubt related to this session, personally, you can ask. Right here, then I will send you the Google Form paper. Okay, children, bye.